What is going on, people? Tonight's going to be the night before my big day tomorrow. Tonight's going to be the preparation. I'm getting all my stuff prepped. I have all my ratchet straps in the ground there, and I have my little boots on, as you guys can see. It's a big day. It's my first track day. I don't really know what's going on, but I'm going to make the best of it. So I'm trying to make sure everything's tight and good for tomorrow. I got all my snacks, got all my clothes. It's going to rain, so it's going to be a lot of fun. I'm going to really record a lot of behind the scenes, bloopers, stuff that happens, me stuttering all the time, the whole 9 yards. So it's going to be a lot of fun. I'm excited. Stay tuned. There's going to be a whole lot of videos going on. It might be a longer video. I'm going to try to keep it around 15, 20 minutes, but can't promise much. But stay tuned, guys. Hope you enjoy. Relax. Alrighty. On the way to my friend's house, we're going to load the bike up, and then we'll be on the way. I have all my equipment and all of my bags packed, ready to roll. My bags are still in my apartment. Obviously, I couldn't bring everything with me here. So we're just going to pack up, load the bike up, and then come back for the bags, and then go down to the track. So stay tuned, fellas. I also have to learn how to shift in these boots. It's going to be very difficult, so I might get frustrated somewhere along the way. These boots feel so weird. But they feel good. They feel weird, but they feel good in a weird way. Or weird in a good way? I don't know. Cause I could shift into second. Fine, but when it comes to shifting into third, forget about it. Whee! Okay, I guess I'm getting there, the hang of it. It's going to be a lot weirder with the tracksuit on, though. I'm just wearing sweatpants right now. But I'm sure when I have the suit on, it's going to be a lot more difficult, but I'll manage. I have no choice now at this point. Too late to turn back now. Downshifting is weird. I feel like I just need to get used to, because I can't feel the shifter. I have to get used to just kind of, like, where my foot has to be. And this guy's got no lights on? That's awesome. Like, how do you not... You're driving at night. How do you not realize your lights are off? Should I tell them, or do I just... let it go? Too late now. I was gonna tell them, but... I can't tell them now. It's too late. They'll figure it out. These boots make me feel... Well, this is not good. Okay, nice room. I could play football in that gap. So I can have my helmet cam on the track. So I have to find out a way to put it somewhere over here, some way or another. I'm sure someone that'll show me how to do it properly. What it seems I have a hard time of is pulling my leg back out after shifting. I'm thinking of getting some adjustable rear sets, because that's really the only way I'm going to get really comfortable. Because right now, when I pull my leg out, I'm worried that I'm going to shift up again, and I don't want to. Because when I pull it out, my body like instinctually pulls up, and I don't want to accidentally shift up again. Downward shifting is fine. That's probably why GP shift makes so much sense. I decided that it's best if I ride down there, because, not gonna lie, him and I are trying to figure out excuse me, how to load the bike up in the back was like, number one, I didn't want to worry and have the stress of both of us trying to figure out how to do that. And number two, I'm real comfortable with that. I just like riding, so I don't mind coming down and riding myself down. So now we're picking up one plus one and then meeting my friend down in South Carolina and heading to the track. Oh! Oh, my neck. Oh.
Hey chat, welcome back. This is speaking.
Any ball in the game, bruh.
Just gonna get flu speaking. I don't know, this guy's crazy. I know you're pretty cold, you're chilly, huh?
No, that's not too bad. It was for a little bit, like for 5 minutes, and then I was fine.
I have the other hoodie. It's okay.
No, that's good. I turned my heated grips on. We're good.
Oh, hell yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, whose scooter is this?
Your mom's.
Oh yeah? I bought an e-bike. I don't have a license right now. I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna use it to ride around.
The gear.
Food real quick before we go, or?
Food review?
Huh?
Food review?
I guess. I mean, pretty much the whole party left.
Alright guys, so after a night of almost no sleep, but it wasn't, it was a quality 4 hours, but this morning we're here. There's Kenny on the scooter, the Segway. We're finally here at the track. There's my bike right there. Let me focus on that, if I can focus on it, yep. So, we just got here about an hour ago. I'm just really still tired, but trying to warm up. It's been a pretty cold morning, but we're here, it's raining, so we're gonna make the best of it. It's starting to slow down now. The morning it was pretty bad, but it's starting to calm down now. I think the rain's done for a while, so I'm hoping the rain lets up and lets the track actually dry off for a little bit, and then go out and have some fun and learn some things. Do a wheelie. All right, folks, we're getting all suited up now. I got my gear on. I'm getting ready to go. Got my gloves. Right now, this is the first session for the D group, which is me, which is the beginner group. So we're all heading out there. We're going to meet there pretty soon. A group and C group and B group, we're all out there. So we're going to meet up there, kind of do a quick run around the lap, make sure we understand how the course works, get the racing lines down, get the braking zones down, and then we're going to do more sessions as the day goes on. Hopefully pick up the pace, and hopefully the weather clears up for us. So stay tuned, guys. I'll probably record on the track, not this session, but probably the next one. Once I figure out how to mount the cameras all around the bike, I'll be able to mount some cameras and get some footage on the track. But until then, probably won't be until later on in the day. But stay tuned, guys, and enjoy. pull my leg out, I'm worried that I'm going to shift up again, and I don't want to. Alright gang, I just did my third session now. I am absolutely drained. My legs are shaking. I'm sure they will continue to. I have about 3 more sets or sessions before I go home. But we're gonna keep it going, keep the spirit alive. I'm gonna drink some electrolytes, get back out there, hop back in the game. See you soon. Boop, boop. All right, guys, finally done today. I'm a very exhausted man. Got my suit hung up, gonna get all my gear together, then we're gonna head out and clean the camera. Alright, so we're loading the bike up. It's gonna be a long ride home. Well, actually, it's not long, it's an hour and a half. But we're heading out now, so it's been a very long day. Learned a lot today, so I'm gonna be using it to my advantage next time. And I hope you guys enjoy the video. It's gonna might probably be a long one, but I hope you guys enjoy. So take it easy. See you in the next one.